Happy Tuesday, everyone, and we are ready to check Simple Solutions, lesson number 68. Number 1, a pronoun takes the place of a noun. The subject pronouns are I, you, singular or plural, he, she, it, we, and they. Write them below. So you just needed to write I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. All right, number 2, choose the subject pronoun. He races his car in the Derby. The subject pronoun is he. I'm going to underline it. You could underline it or circle it. They don't specify what you should do. Number 3, add the helping verb will and an action verb to complete each sentence. Gina will go to a sleepover at Marta's house. The girls will watch a movie and play games. Then they will sleep on the floor with pillows and blankets. Number 4, use the editing mark for make capital to show which proper noun should begin with a capital letter. In Cooperstown, we can visit the Baseball Hall of Fame. Well, the name of the town, Cooperstown, the C needs to be capitalized. So that's what that should look like. Now let's turn the page so we can go on to number 5. Write a synonym and an antonym for happy. A synonym for happy would be glad. If you can think of other ones, that's great. An antonym, which means the opposite, could be sad. Or you can think of other words. So a synonym means the same, antonym means the opposite. So you could have different ones than me. They just have to both mean on the synonym, it has to mean the same as happy. And an antonym is the opposite of happy. Okay. All right, number 6. Add the suffixes er and est to fast to complete the sentences. Jason was faster than Ryan, but Owen was the fastest runner of all. Number 7, underline the homophone that means bucket. Is it P-A-I-L or P-A-L-E? And it is, it says underline. Ooh, I need to follow directions. Underline. It is this pale because P-A-L-E is like a shade. It means like a light, very light color or very kind of almost white. Pale is a color word. P-A-I-L means a bucket. Number 8, make this noun plural. Remember, change the Y to I and add ES. Penny becomes pennies. And number 9, Mickey was not ready because there was some confusion about what time the bus would leave. What is confusion? Is it puzzlement, fear, or transportation? And the correct answer is puzzlement. Confusion and puzzlement mean the same thing. Number 10, which sentence has no errors? The train ride through Germany was very exciting. Violet met Eva at the train station. The girls hadn't ever been on a train before. So the sentence that has no errors here is the very first sentence, and I'm going to underline it. That's all you had to do. They didn't even ask you to put editing marks in. But the second sentence, you would need the S in station to be made lowercase, and there needs to be a period. So you don't have to do this, but I'm going to show you just so we know. That becomes lowercase. We need a period at the end. This needs to become uppercase, and this needs to be taken out. So then it would be Violet met Eva at the train station. The girls hadn't ever been on a train before. And then that would be correct. But this first sentence is the correct one. And those are the answers to our Simple Solutions lesson number 68.